Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today with this video we are going to discuss about the MICA Ahmedabad. Like what is the eligibility criteria, what about the placements, what about the batch profile about the MICA Ahmedabad, that everything we are going to discuss with this video. So MICA Ahmedabad offers you the various programs like postgraduate programs, fellow programs, crafting creative communication program, online programs and leadership and management development programs. So if we consider the postgraduate programs, so in the postgraduate programs, it offers you the postgraduate diploma in management communications, that is PGDMC. Then it offers you the fellow program in management communications, that is FPM program, and it offers you the postgraduate certificate program in crafting creative communication, that is CCC. So coming to the very first program is postgraduate diploma in management communication, that is PGDMC program. So if we consider the specializations offered for this program, then those are advertising and brand management, digital communication management, data science and business analytics, media and entertainment management, sales and customer relationship management. So if we consider the eligibility criteria for this program, then you must have completed a bachelor's degree with 10 plus 2 plus 3 system or an equivalent qualification in any discipline from a recognized university. If you are in final year, then also you are eligible to apply for this college. So if we consider the overall selection process for this program, then first you need to do the MyCAT registration, then your CAT, XAT and GMAT score is considered, then the MICA admission test is conducted, and then the finally selected list of candidates is done. So if we consider the merit list preparation, so in that 20% weightage is given to your CAT, XAT or GMAT score, 30% weightage is given to your MyCAT score, 20% weightage is given to the group exercise and 30% weightage is given to the personal interview. And on the basis of the composite score, the list of finally selected candidates is done. Now coming to the fellow program in management communications, that is FPM program. Then if we consider the specializations offered in FPM program, then those are management, communication, marketing, media and entertainment and digital marketing. So if we consider the overall eligibility criteria for this program, then you must have completed your postgraduate or master's degree or equivalent qualification with at least 55% marks from a well-recognized university from the field of management, communication, humanities or social science. Then if we consider the overall selection criteria for this program, then first the telephone interviews for eligible candidates is conducted. Then second stage is shortlisted candidates appear for MICA's FPM admission test. FPM admission test is a 3-day process organized at MICA campus comprising of written test, individual presentation and the personal interview. On the day 1, the written test will be conducted, and if we consider the day 2 and day 3, then on the day 2 and day 3, the individual presentation and the personal interview will be conducted. Then if we consider the selection to the program is based on the performance in the FPM admission test, then your consistent academic performance from 10 plus 2 onwards and professional work or research experience in media and communication is also considered. So in short, if we consider the overall admission process, so phase 1 is of CAT, XAT, GMAT, MyCAT entrance examination. Then phase 2 is shortlisting of the candidates is done for the group exercise and the personal interview. Then the phase 3 is the shortlisted candidates get the admission on the basis of the composite score calculated on the basis of the performance in the group exercise and personal interview. Then if we consider the overall cutoff for the MICA Ahmedabad, then for the CAT, XAT and GMAT, the actual cutoff is expected to be above 80 percentile. So if we consider the overall fee structure for the MICA Ahmedabad, then it offers you the PGDM program. The duration of this program will be for 2 years. And if we consider the overall fee structure, then it is nearly up to 21 lakhs. Then it also offers you the fellowship program. The duration of this program is 3 years. And if we consider the overall fee structure, then it is up to 19.53 lakhs. Then for the PG certificate, the duration is 1 year and the fees is nearly up to 23.9 lakhs. MICA Ahmedabad is one of the best college for advertising and communication. So especially if you want to complete your PGDM in the advertising and communication, this is one of the best option to consider with. This college is ranked in top 50 by the NIRF 2022 and it has a strong dominance of alumni in advertising and brand management. This college also has a diverse batch profile and there are less than 50% candidates are the engineers. Now if we consider the overall batch profile for the MICA Ahmedabad, then in that 49% candidates are the female candidates and 51% candidates are the male candidates. So if we consider the overall work experience, then there are 10.4% candidates have the work experience of more than 3 years, 16.2% candidates have the work experience in between 2 to 3 years, 22% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 2 years, 12.1% candidates have the work experience of less than 1 year, and there are 39.3% candidates are the freshers. Now if we consider it in terms of the educational background, then there are 43.1% candidates are from the engineering background, 22.2% candidates are from the commerce background, 16.3% candidates are from the management, 11.1% candidates are from the arts and design, and 7.2% candidates have the background other than this. Then if we consider the overall placements for the MICA Ahmedabad, then the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 36 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered is nearly up to 20 lakhs per annum. The median CTC offered is nearly up to 19 lakhs per annum. So if we consider the median CTC increased up to last year, then it is 11.11. If we consider there are top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 31.43 lakhs per annum, and there are 39 offers are from the analytics, BFSI and consulting. Then if we consider the sector-wise overview, then for the FMCG, there were 30 offers. The highest CTC offered with the FMCG is nearly up to 33 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 22 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the IT and ITES, then there were 31 offers were made from the IT and ITES, and highest CTC offered with this college for this sector, it is nearly up to 34 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the average CTC offered for this sector, it is nearly up to 19 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the FMCD, so for the FMCD there were 17 offers were made, and the highest CTC offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 27 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the average CTC offered with this sector, then it is nearly up to 21 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the media and advertising, so in this sector there were 25 offers were made. The highest CTC offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 21 lakhs per annum, and the average CTC offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 16 lakhs per annum. Then coming to the next sector is analytics, BFSI and consulting. So in that sector there were 39 offers were made. The highest CTC offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 36 lakhs per annum, and the average salary package offered with this sector, it is nearly up to 23 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider it for the other sectors, so for the other sectors there were 31 offers were made, and the highest salary package offered with the other sector, it is nearly up to 28 lakhs per annum, and the average CTC offered is nearly up to 17 lakhs per annum. So if we consider some roles offered with different sectors, then those are account manager, associate marketing manager, brand manager, campaign management, content marketing manager, corporate communication, customer success manager, digital marketing and SEO manager, growth marketing manager, loyalty marketing analyst, management trainee, procurement management, product manager, product marketing analyst, program management lead, sales management trainee, segmentation and revenue management, senior sales executive, social media manager and sports marketing. If we consider the top recruiters for this college, then those are Adani, Adidas, Affinity, Morgan Stanley, Cognizant, EY, Samsung, Infosys, Just Dial, GSK, KPIT, Accenture Strategy, L'Oreal, ICICI Bank, IDFC First Bank, Yes Bank, Tata Steel, Tata Consumer Products, Royal Enfield, Titan, and there are so many companies are over there. So this is all about the MICA Ahmedabad. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.